Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Brysco and 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Sparta, Freeway. Song called Freeway. This song, I've not, for a long time now, I have not had so many people who commented on other videos that I need to react to this video. And I said, you know what is it about this video? Because I not watch it yet, not listen to it yet. So I said, what is it about this video? We're about to find out. We are going to do it. Took me a week, but I was busy. Doing other things. You understand? Me have work life, family life and stuff. So I can't just jump and do it as a person self do it. Sometimes I feel in the mood for do a reaction to. If I'm in the mood, I'm not doing it. You understand? So we're in the mood. So I could jump in and see what the G them say. So big up 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up Brysco. Alright, let's go.
Brysco, we can fast. Hit them, gal.
Good.
On the freeway, uptown, two big body gal they night crown.
Oh, Bokla! Brysco!
We can fast. Hit them,
Like this.
gal.
Yeah.
On the freeway, uptown, two big body gal they night crown. Kick it in a spot, yeah, lost son. Smoke a jump out, I fuck up your son.
Yo! The man not care about no green, nothing, nah, smoke and jump out and fuck up the ozone. Pollution. Brysco, pick up yourself.
On the freeway, uptown,
Yeah.
two big body gal they night crown. Kick it in a spot, yeah, lost son. Smoke a jump out, I fuck up your son.
Yeah.
Bad man tongue. Bad brass and the killer come round. The case sound. Shake it down like a day out down.
Skirt the Sparta, big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 son. We see you. Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 put in some crazy work in the dog. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 do some crazy collabs in the bread and drop some crazy single too, you know. Yo, prisoner not slow down 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you know. Yo, Europe and free up goes the boss and forward, brother.
Bad man tongue. Bad brass and the killer come round.
Yeah.
The case sound. Shake it down like a day out down.
I go, have another gal wait, baby, hurry up.
Tappy blood clot, nice gal, you come a FIFA.
She run the pussy fast in a BMW.
Yo, top it blood clan nice girl. Fuck you come and stuff it come fuck. What you think there stuff it come do? Read Bible? Ask me which subject me do at school? Wait think you there suffer? Eh?
Day out down.
I go, have another gal wait, baby, hurry up.
Tappy blood clot, nice gal, you come a FIFA.
She run the pussy fast in a BMW. I say I done. Them gal make sure so me get my cocky clean off with the ensure.
Anytime I fuck my cocky get sucked, them gal I make sure same get him cocky clean off with the ensure. I know so I am sure I am done for ensure, you know, so I ensure boss, you know. Understand? Yeah. So you know say a bad bitch. I feel link them.
Tappy blood clot, nice gal, you come a FIFA.
Yeah.
She run the pussy fast in a BMW.
Yeah.
I say I done. Them gal make sure so me get my cocky clean off with the ensure.
Me like how Skirt the Sparta represent him father in the music video, you know. Like obviously him father can't there, so him father physically can't be in the video, so he might represent in the video. Big up yourself, Skirt. Big up yourself, G. Yeah.
Show sympathy, hardcore me no care if you remember me.
Man, time for kind of show no sympathy. Hardcore me no care if you remember me. Yo.
No show sympathy, hardcore me no care if you remember me. You a bubble too far.
Girl, I could have fucked 10 man, me a one man, me not do the wally part. Yeah, that's so basically my yo, me not care how much as the lecture that say, when them fuck 10 man, you feel 11. Him not care.
No show sympathy, hardcore me no care if you remember me.
No.
You a bubble too fast, take your time now. Yeah, me like you, your vagina. Girl, you finer than the black China. She give me brains that me move like a Michael.
me, enough of them girls. Majority of Jamaican girls them find that I'm dirty black China. Black China body mash up like when car crash and lick up in or something. Black China, me not style but me a style. You don't look good again. No, you don't look good again. Them girl hotter than you by far. I want you. Jamaican girl hotter than you, brother. What's up?
You a bubble too fast, take your time. Take your time. Yeah, me like you. Your vagina. Girl, you finer than the Black China.
Definitely.
Let me move like a Michael.
When them say Black China, does it mean the American ex-stripper girl over there with the youth from Kardashian, Black China, or it mean Black China rare, like the is Black China, is Black, hold on. Me have to go do some, me have to go do a research while me in the thing here. Me, hold on. Sorry, I'm doing something. Don't worry, I will get back to it. Me just want. Okay. So Black China is also a make that make like cups and glass and crockeries basically. So Black China wear the plates, glass, cups, them thing there, you know? So yeah, Black China, yeah, that as well. But the Black China with the America, mash up, broke up.
The Black China, she give me raise.
Me not care. Yeah.
Bubble too fast, take your time. Yeah, me like you. Your vagina. Girl, you finer than the Black China. She give me raise, let me move like a Michael. We have tidal. My girl, yeah, girl, my girl.
Me like how Tammy jump back in there so. Brysco said she a moon. Let him say me a moonwalk. Then him say we have tidal.
Vagina. Girl, you finer than the Black China. She give me raise, let me move like a Michael.
She give me brains that me move like a Michael. Me a moonwalk. Wave. A pattern.
The Black China. She give me brains that me move like a Michael. We have tidal. My girl, yeah, girl, my girl.
Whoa! My girl, yeah, girl. Definitely.
We have tidal. My girl, yeah, girl, my girl. Don't swan. Me bad girl, Spain, so keep on the hot stand. On the freeway. Uptown, two big body girl, they night crown. Kick it in a sport, yeah, I lost on. Smoke a chump out, I fuck up your zone. Fuck it high joke full of girl. Fuck it video hit on me high phone. Me no ram. Sparta, we a run road, that a code. No boy can't step on me too.
Yo, the chopper them have them own little dance. Like them artists here create a little thing where them have them own movements, them own sound, them own lyrics, them own beats, them own everything, dog. All the movements, them on them. Yo, talent, so. Jamaica full of talent.
Girl, I say me need, say she want give me a ride on the front seat. Have a brick in my pocket, so me give her 12 G's. Stop free, bored tongue, but she no suck for free. Travel with few friend for some she a pre. Suck it with the nutrients, so me come by your teeth. Back as by your knees, you a burn calorie. For she see the polo, she know say this no cheap.
What I say? She a burn calories. Girl, put on your burn calories. Yo! No, me see why so much people say, yo, react to that song, dog.
Girl, I say me need, say she want give me a ride on the front seat. Have a brick in my pocket, so me give her 12 G's. Stop free, bored tongue, but she no suck for free. Travel with few friend for some she a pre. Suck it with the nutrients, so me come by your teeth. Back as by your knees, you a burn calorie. For she see the polo, she know say this no cheap. Pull up in the Jeep, be my hammer go key. Button press and no key. Suction door on the sound system HD. Mickey and a freeze. Uptown, two big body girl, they night crown. Kick it in a sport, yeah, lost sound. Smoke a jump out, a fuck up your zone. Marijuana, want some marijuana. Money got a pop and a suck banana. Got some breast, boy, got all the palm. I'm a finger fast, like my play the yaga. Something like Kogi Tatan. Yeah, take your heart free. Yeah, back free. Nah, me fresh. I'm a seal like sardine. Sure. A house party, girl, skin up and cool. In a hole.
Yo, we here Tammy with Brysco melody right there. So sure. Most party. Yes, Tammy's song already. But Brysco melody that's 16.
Something like Kogi Tatan. Yeah, take your heart free. Yeah, back free. Nah, me fresh. I'm a seal like sardine. Sure. A house party, girl, skin up and cool. In a hole.
Daily Music, big up. TMI Records, big up. Yo, this blood clot bad. No, me say why people are say, yo, react to this and react to that and react to this and react to this. The amount of people when I'm a DM I say, yo, react to this. All from my Instagram they message me and said, yeah. Speaking about Instagram, send me links them up there, sir. Send me name them up there, some social media names them. Just do the right thing, not the wrong. Yo, family, respect again for giving the young artists them strength. You do it when they're with Valiant. Yeah, do it, my fam. Yeah, do it. Even when they're behind bars, lockdown, you still do it. You see me? Brysco, big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. You know, you find a monster song there where they're with code, so you come chip off his side. So right now, just go and chip at it again, brother, and try to get that next monster one they like code. You see me? That one a bad still. I like that one, yeah. Brysco. Bad. Flow bad. The vibe bad. Big up Sparta as well. We're in this video. Represent for him father Tommy. Yeah. Brysco full of talent. No joke. Him full of talent for real. Tommy Lee, we don't know what. When you hear Tommy Lee go song, I'm alone na dance, I'll do that. So you know what Tommy did that. No ramp with the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 bars. You see me? Yeah, man. The rhythm bad. Compliment again for the song. And like I said, now I see why people are saying, yo, react to this. It took me long enough, but I did it. So I don't just ease off of my case now, please. And thank you. And thank you guys for pointing me in the direction of this. Because I don't really listen to a lot of music unless I'm reacting. You understand? So yeah, thank you for this one. I appreciate this one. Hurry up and free the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 too, man. Family road. Anyway, this one I'm gonna leave the one. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Alright? Peace.